This is the third and final section of this, or part to this. So optical comparators. Projects magnify an image on screen for measurement. Part image shows up on this screen here. The screen. Work area is down here. This is where you're actually going to put your part. This is the focus knob, the elevating knob, so it brings it up and down, the table knob, left and right, and magnification lens. Some of them have 2 or 3 different ones. And then of course your digital display to show you how much you've moved and so forth. Alright, here's actually looking at a screen of it. Setting the position of a part to begin measurement with an optical comparator. The micrometer and display both show 0. So you're getting it, if you're measuring from here to here, you would line it up from here and zero it out, move the machine, and it will show you how much distance you have traveled. As you can see here. So you moved 0.125 from here to here. The ending measurement position of the part of an optical comparator, the micrometer and display both show a 0.125 measurement. Optical comparators, you can actually check threads on, so you rotate the axis line. And then here you're measuring a slot. So 10 spaces show a 0.01 radius. Each space is an increment of 0.001. So 20 spaces is a 0.020 width. Alright, so 0 degree reference line, and then it shows you that you're 20 degrees off of that. Alright, use micrometer dials to measure on a toolmaker's microscope. Can connect to cameras or computers to display images. A toolmaker's microscope with video output for display on a computer. Coordinate measuring machine, or a CMM, identifies locations in a X, Y, and Z coordinate system using electronic probe. Usually looks something like this. A coordinate measuring machine can inspect dimensions and complex parts like an engine cylinder head by moving the probe to touch part surfaces. So this head actually moves around and touches the surfaces that you're wanting to measure. Alright, I know this one's kind of short, but overall the Unit 4 in this section was a really long section, but it is important to know how to measure your parts. So I wanted to take a few videos and make that, but we thank y'all very much.